Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Wanted to take a look at a website called sketchpad CC. It's actually quite intriguing. Unfortunately, some of the things don't work on it, like suggestions. You click on it and it doesn't look like anything happens. So I am going to create this suggestion as a video. And one of the things that I struggle with is seeing more examples. If I go to competing site or competitor site, like let's see, open processing, when it loads, there we go. Open processing shows me lots of other examples, or Studio Sketchpad, and as much as I try, I can only see 50. So here's the featured sketches, and there's 50 there. And recent sketches, show more. I click on that, and no matter where else I click, I can't see any more. I get last edited, which will take me back a million years ago, but I can't see revs, I can't sort by mods. I sort by sketch, but that's useless because most of the people don't actually name their sketches. Untitled Sketch is the most popular name. And further, I can't search for particular pieces of code. There's no search. So I can't search for an instance of a for or URL or SVG or text or anything like that. Open processing has lots of pretty pictures for me to choose from, and so when I click on it, I get to see the code. I don't necessarily have the coolness of being able to copy. So for example, I decided that I like this one. I never looked at it, so I don't have any idea what it's going to do, if it's going to even work. But I do have the option, when it does load, of cloning and modifying. That is so cool. That is what open source is supposed to do. With open processing, it doesn't look like it's even going to load this time. That is a ongoing problem. Let's see. We're going to get an error message. Yeah, we're getting error messages. Also output error messages on Chrome. Let's see if it's going to load. I don't know. Yeah, okay. There is. It's a monster, and it does look like it's going to work. I think. Let's see what's going to happen. To their correct places by spring that pulls them back when they're not being pulled by the cursor. So let's pull them. Ah, okay. So it's a bit of a game, but clever. I can see it. I can see the code. There's the code, source code, but I can't clone it, but I can search for it. So if I go to search right here, I search text, hit the enter key, and away we go, and it's going to give me dozens, if not hundreds, of other examples of where text is used. The code is actually searching the code, whereas I can't search the code here. As much as I've looked, I can't find a way to search the code, and I can't find a way to view more than 50 sketches. Thanks to both developers at Open Processing and Sketchpad for your efforts. You guys are doing amazing jobs. It'd be nice if you could find a way to combine the greatness of each other's works. Thank you for your time, and happy computing. Go learn to program. Processing is cool, really cool. There's so much that could be done with it in a school environment, in a coding environment. It is just a cool language. Thank you for your time, and again, happy computing.